Hey guys, let's cook a chicken wings today, and this is a curry chicken. I chop an onion, a garlic, and a ginger, and I added a 1 stick of cinnamon and a 4 piece of bay leaf. I mixed them all together because I am going to put that in the pan in one time. And also I have 2 tablespoons of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika. If you want your curry a little bit hot or spicy, you can add 1 tablespoon of curry powder. I want it mild, so I only have 2 tablespoons. And also I have the coconut milk, coconut cream, and black pepper and Himalayan pink salt for the taste. So let's go, guys. Okay, I heated 4 tablespoons of cooking oil. Now I think it's ready, so we can add the onion, the garlic, cinnamon stick, and ginger. Guys, I added a few pieces of cloves, but it's up to you. Some people doesn't like it, some people like it, so I like it, and I just put a few pieces of it. Okay, this is the one, the cloves. So it's up to you guys. That is just an optional. Now guys, we can add the chicken. Just brown the chicken a little bit. Okay, now that the chicken is brown, we are going to add the paprika and the curry powder and stir it. Okay, now guys, we can add the coconut milk. My coconut milk is frozen. That's the old one, but I'm still going to get some more from the new one. Okay guys, we are going to cover it and let it boil until the chicken is tender, and then we can add the remaining ingredients. Alright guys, this is how my chicken looks like now, and I am going to add the Himalayan salt and the black pepper. I grind it, that's why it is mixed. And just stir it a little bit. And wait until it is fully cooked. Alright guys, my chicken curry is cooked. Look at that, looks so delicious. So let's eat.